Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be diving into a full review of Final Cut Pro. Let's get started. Final Cut Pro is Apple's professional video editing software and has been a favorite among creators for years. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, this video will cover everything you need to know about the latest version of Final Cut Pro as of 2024. First, let's talk about performance and compatibility. The 2024 update has truly pushed the boundaries, especially on the new M3 Max chip. If you're working with 4K, 8K, or even 360-degree VR footage, Final Cut Pro runs exceptionally smoothly, with almost zero lag. Rendering times have been significantly reduced thanks to Metal Engine optimizations and the ProRes RAW format. These optimizations are now better than ever. Plus, Final Cut Pro continues to work perfectly with macOS Sonoma, providing a seamless experience whether you're using a MacBook Air or a Mac Studio. Now, let's talk about the new features in 2024. First up, AI-powered tools are a game changer. Final Cut Pro now includes AI-driven auto cuts and smart reframing, which can automatically detect the best parts of your footage and edit them for you. It's like having a co-editor on your team. The color grading tools have also been upgraded with new color matching algorithms, providing even more accurate and vibrant results. For audio professionals, the advanced audio editing features, including AI noise reduction and spatial audio support, make creating a professional sound mix easier than ever. Now, let's talk about the user experience. If you're already familiar with Final Cut Pro, you'll feel right at home. The interface remains as intuitive as ever, with a few enhancements. The 2024 update introduces a more customizable workspace, allowing you to arrange tools and panels exactly how you prefer. The magnetic timeline continues to be a standout feature, making complex edits feel seamless and effortless. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, the new customizable shortcut menu will save you tons of time. The price and value. Final Cut Pro is still priced at a one-time fee of $300. While this might seem steep initially, it's important to note that it includes a lifetime license with free updates, making it a valuable long-term investment. It's actually a great deal compared to subscription-based software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Plus, if you're a student, you can get it as part of Apple's Pro Apps bundle, which is an absolute steal. In conclusion, after all this information, is Final Cut Pro worth it in 2024? Absolutely. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, working on a short film, or anything in between, Final Cut Pro remains one of the best video editing tools available. Its combination of power, ease of use, and innovative features makes it a top choice for both professionals and newcomers alike. That's all for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.